Computational linear algebra, date 18th October, class 6. Today we discussed about matrix multiplication, different ways to multiply matrix, different interpretations. First one is the normal row column multiplication, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 3, and here 1 into 2 plus 1 into 4. This is how you write it, and 2 into 1 plus 2 into 3, 3 into 2 plus 3 into 4. That is the first method. And one condition is, for multiplication, number of columns of first matrix must be equals to the number of rows of second matrix. Now the way to do the matrix multiplication is, you can make the linear combination of columns A taking columns of B as multipliers. B columns will be here, 1 3 2 4, 1 3 2 4 will be here, and you take the columns of A. Columns of A will stay constant here and here, and multipliers of B will be changing, 1 3 2 4, 1 3 2 4, like that. That is for here columns of A constant on this side and this side, on all the mappings. Here columns of B will be constant. B will be constant. Rows, linear combination of rows of B taking rows of A as multipliers. Now you have 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, this will be written, and 1 2 1 3, this will be here, 1 2 1 3. Here B values are constant, B rows are constant, here A columns are constant. Next, these are some examples. So find B, C is equals to AB. First two columns of C are same as A. First two columns should be same as A. Based on the before rules, this will be the values of first two columns of the B matrix. Next, create a matrix of a particular rank with generate a 3 by 3 matrix whose rank is 1. So when we have to generate a 3 by 3 matrix whose rank is 1, this and this will be 3, and here 1. Whichever rank you want, you mention that value over here. So you write down the values which will generate a rank is equals to 1. Next, in MATLAB, this is the way you do it. Rand means it will give the random values, but it can be real numbers also. And rand I means it will generate random values with integer values. Next, to generate random integer matrix with a given rank, the process is, you generate random integers 0 to 9 in between any of these values. You fill the rows, 5 rows and 6 columns. Next, after that, you give the real numbers. So this is another way. You give real numbers between, you give a set between you get the random value generated from 0 and 1. A is equals to randi of R, comma 5 6. Rows are these and columns are these, and you ask for the rank of A. Then rank of A must be less than or equals to minimum of rows or columns. It can, if rows are 5 and columns are 6, it will be at least 5 or less than that. Next, to get rank 3, what we do is 5 6, as I said before. If you want to get rank is equals to some value, it should be the number of columns in here and the number of rows in here. Then you will get the rank 3 in most of the cases. There are very less cases where you don't get rank is equals to 3 when the matrix size is of this type. Next, there is RREF command. It has to be studied. I don't know what it is yet. And if you give a semicolon in MATLAB, it suppresses the output of that command that you are giving if you use semicolon at the end of that command.